morning. So usually for breakfast, it kind of varies. I did a big food shop yesterday, so I'm gonna have a smoothie. Coconut milk, chopped spinach, smoothie mix. Cheers!
Hi, so this is the kitchen. Have a look round. This is your fridge.
The freezer.
Handy to get lots of Tupperware boxes to put frozen food in.
If you make like enough for 4 people and then freeze 3 of them.
It's so good. Should we show off our student books? Sasha's got quite a few.
Oh!
Big one.
I finished my essay, so I'm gonna go make some lunch. It's nice to actually get out of your room to cook. Just added my veg, got my noodles on. This is the final result. Learning how to cook is such a good skill to have for the future. I've learned how to cook so many good basic meals that will like keep me sustained. It'll just be so helpful in the future.
Just sort of the whole concept of just cooking together is something I don't think many people in catered sort of get.
I just love that you can cook whatever you want. I've got to know people so much by like cooking for them cooking for me, and it's more like a little family.